so we've made it in the house with this thing. Let's get it opened up and see what we got inside. It's a made in China, so hopefully we got all the parts. And hopefully it doesn't all fall out and smash us whenever we... That must have been a tough strap, because that one cut really easy. Jinx is the supervising agent in this project. Great, more trash. See if we can build this without getting divorced.
As long as he doesn't make me read the instructions, we're fine.
Come on. I don't have my glasses in the house. Oh, I do have a pair of glasses in the house. We might be alright. Oh, okay. Wonder if it comes with instructions. I wonder what language the instructions are in. There's a finger pincher. Watch out for that guy. Let the games begin.
Let the odds be ever in your favor.
Probably not.
Okay, so you were telling them why I was practicing my British accent.
Yes. So, we will be taking you guys on a journey here shortly. A couple months, right? 3 months?
96 days.
Now we're down to days.
Well, technically 93 days, 92 days from when we leave.
So we will be making a European journey. Would that be England?
Specifically London.
London, England. We're going to take you to Scotland and Ireland, and then back to France and explore some D-Day sites, and then
Paris. I think we have 3 places that we're going in Ireland, 3 or 4 places that we're going in Scotland.
And we're going to take you guys along with us and, hey, come on, kind of document the trip a little bit. A little different for us, not a huge travel. We don't do any travel on this channel except for Utah.
Yeah.
But I figure we'll give it a shot, see how it goes.
See if you guys like travel. See if we like travel. We've never been overseas, so
we
we know we like travel. We don't know if we like
transatlantic travel for us.
overseas travel. This will be our first overseas trip.
Shannon's not a great airplaner.
I'm not, but
We're gonna try it.
and there's drugs for that. There's medication for that. Can I say drugs on this channel?
Prescribed.
Prescribed medications for that.
There you go. All right, let's see what happens here. Ooh, it comes with white gloves.
Why?
Apparently they're not made for full-size humans.
Wait, let me see your hand first. So his fingers start down here, and we shove them.
It still doesn't make it to the
Look
bottom.
at this. That's hilarious. I don't know what you're talking about. These fit great. They're a little too big, actually.
White
I got
glove
a new
treatment.
pair of white gloves. I shall wear them to the opera. Tyler's gonna cut that out because he says I'm a dork.
Probably leave it in so everybody else knows you're a dork. And I'm gonna guess uses this as import quality that we're going to start all the screws and not tighten anything so that we can get everything to fit. They did put nut certs in, so that's a plus. We're not using sheet metal screws to put this thing together. Legs just screw into these nut certs on the bottom. Which are gonna allow us to level it up after we Get it set down on the floor. Threads are slightly questionable, but they seem to be okay. These little L brackets literally just go in the corners and they just hold the base from being able to pop back up, which is an interesting design, but I guess it works. And you're probably going to question, but the long side of the L bin goes up or against the wall of the cabinet, and then the screw goes through there. All right, so we are all put together. We're going to make an attempt to get this in. We chose this particular unit. We picked this because it would fit in the closet that we had room for storage. So we're going to get it wrestled in there, or attempt to get it wrestled in there, and see if we can make it fit where we think it's going to go. So let's see what happens. Key would have been someplace it shouldn't have been. All right, it fits. The door opens. Oh yes. These two screw holes right here for anchors line up with the wooden shelf support that we'd put in for another project. So I think I'm just going to screw it right to the shelf. Seeing this, we're not going to leave it in here long term, so it'll be good to secure it back there enough so it doesn't want to fall over, because the door is definitely heavier than the rest of the unit. So we'll get that done, get it screwed into the wall, and then load it full.